Maria, I'll hand it over to you now to dive deeper into process automation. Looking forward to a great discussion.
Thank you, Yuri. Thank you. So, first opinion, let's look at the big picture of current situation. AI has completely transformed the banking industry by introducing cutting-edge technologies and tools like ChatGPT, big data, machine learning, RPA have not only streamlined banking processes but also transform customer behavior. And today, customers expect more than just basic service like opening an account or getting a loan. They demand personalized experience and instant solutions and seamless interactions. Their expectations are higher than ever, and they keep evolving. As a customer needs change, banks are also transforming, and the future of banking lies in automated processes. And one of the key measure of customer satisfaction is how quickly a bank can deliver value for customer, right? Process automation is the foundation, is the basis of building a true digital bank. But the biggest challenge for banks is choosing the right automation platform because the market is very big and they should find the platform they can meet customer expectations, provide instant services, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Banks face several major challenges on the journey to digital transformation. And more of IT decision makers agree that process automation is key to digital transformation. However, achieving is often difficult because core businesses processes are high complex. And why it's challenging for banking? First of all, because diverse endpoints, there are a lot of diverse endpoints. Processes span multiple systems, including microservices, RPA bots, human tasks, legacy, and some custom-built platforms. Secondly, because of growing customer expectations. Customer want fast, simple, and accessible service anytime, anywhere. And it's challenging because of regulatory and cost pressure, offshore because of technological depth. Interpreting new technologies becomes harder, leading to isolated automations that don't deliver full value for business for customer. AI and other innovations, on the one hand, give for business great opportunities, right? But on the other hand, they also introduce some risks and new regulations. This is where process orchestration plays a critical role. It bridges the gaps between systems, teams, and technologies to create efficient operation. For banks, successful digital transformation is not just about adapting new technologies. It's about integrating and orchestrating technologies to deliver seamless, scalable, and customer-focused solutions. In the banking world, business processes can generally be grouped into four categories. First, it's operational activities. These include routine back office operations. The second is active and passive banking operations. These cover service provided to both individual customers and corporate clients, such as loans, deposits, and account management. Next group is investment banking, here focused on asset management, capital raising, and market trading. And the last group is specific cross-industrial operations, processes like HR activities, procurement, and compliance management that are shared across industries, but also critical to banking. When it comes to process automation, there are some common tasks that banks frequently address. Uh, the common tasks like, for example, filling out application forms, streamline customer onboarding and reducing errors, criteria checks, ensuring customers meet predefined requirements for services or products, data validation, risk assessment, and more others. And banks must focus on building automation strategies that align with these categories and activities. The goal is not just efficiency, but deliver mindful customer value. By automating repetitive, high volume tasks, banks can free up resources to focus on strategic areas like customer engagement and innovation, and choosing the right technology stack and ensuring seamless integration across systems here is really critical. And poorly implemented platform can create silos, while the right one can unlock agility, scalability, empowering the bank to adapt to choosing customer and market needs. It's clear to understand that automating all processes at once it's not realistic, right? That's why it's important to have a plan, clearly plan, one that focus on prioritizing the right processes for automation first. First of all, we need to concentrate to the processes that bring higher ROI for businesses. On this slide, the process highlighted in blue represented processes that should be automated at top priority. There are the processes that deliver the highest value to users when performed efficiently and effectively. By automating these high impact processes first, you can provide immediate value to your customer, reduce bottlenecks in critical workflows, and improve overall operation efficiency. This approach ensures that your automation efforts are both strategic and results driven, laying a solid foundation for scaling automation across the organization. Of course, digital transformation is not so easy process, and here there are also some challenges on this way, like a process complexity, especially when process involves multiple endpoints. It's like integration challenges regarding the connecting diverse technologies like microservices, legacy systems, and homegrown platforms requires significant technical resources and specialized knowledge. Teams often work separately, leading to some miscommunication and delays. And this gap is in collaborating, slow down projects and increase the risk of deliver solutions that don't meet customer needs. There are also challenges is in scalability and resilience, raising customer expectations. But fortunately, there are tools that designed to overcome these problems by allowing continuous organization of processes and stimulating cooperation between business and IT. That provides universal integration, agility, and scalability, and finally, improve customer expectation. Let's look at the typical loan approval process before automation. On this slide, you can see the simplest example of loan approval. It already highlights how manual and repetitive tasks are causing significant delays. The process consists of several key stages, each broken down into multiple steps like create a customer profile, collect document, screen customer profile, screen credit data, etc. And as you can see, at every stage, there are multiple manual actions, dependencies of different teams, and repetitive tasks such as form filling, now alliance compliance, credit history checks, screening documents. This outdated approach not only increases processing time, right, but also risk errors and creates bottlenecks in our workflow. By automating repetitive actions and streamline these steps, banks can reduce these delays, improve accuracy, and provide faster value to customer. Um, and here on this slide, you can see an example of automated loan process approval process. Unlike the traditional method, these automated versions takes just a few minutes to complete, eliminates manual operations, and minimize the risk of human error. And as a result, a much faster, more efficient, and reliable process. As you can see on this screen, on this diagram, the second action after the process starts is automatic risk check. This is where BPMN, Business Process Modeling Notation, integrates with DMN, Decision Modeling Notation. And using DMN standard in automation of processes plays a crucial role. For example, on this slide, you can see a simple example of DMN table, which is used in the process in our example in previous, you can see on previous slide. DMN is used to automate decision making, ensuring that every risk is evaluated continuously and accurately based on predefined rules. By automating these critical steps, banks can speed up loan approvals, reduce operational costs, ensures compliance with some regulatory standards. However, with many platforms available in the market, the question is, how do you choose the right one, right? What factors should guide your decision? And here there are two considerations when selecting an automation platform. First one, you should choose a platform. The platform should deliver value today as quickly as possible. That means to address your most pressing pain points and quickly implement solutions that show immediate results. And second, your automation tool should be prepared for tomorrow. What I mean here, choose a platform that is future-proof, that's adaptable, scalable, and resilient to support your growth and evolving needs. Today, process orchestration platform like Camunda, Xenon are offering the tools and flexibility businesses need to automate effectively and succeed in dynamic digital landscape. What is Camunda? Camunda is a powerful platform that enables organization to orchestrate and automate processes across people, system, devices to continuously overcome complexity, increase efficiency, and fully optimize AI. It helps organizations to tackle complexity and boost efficiency. With Camunda, business users and developers collaborate seamlessly and effective to model end-to-end processes. This makes it easy to automate tasks with the speed, scale, and resilience necessary to stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced digital world. In short, Camunda gives your organization the tools to automate complex workflows, work faster, and deliver more value, all while keeping things scalable and reliable. Camunda empowers you to automate any process anywhere, helping you to transform your organization into a digital-first businesses. This leads to better customer experience, faster time to value, increased business agility, higher operational efficiency. Camunda covers the main stages of the process life cycle. I mean, design, automate, and improve. And this is possible by using open standards that foster collaboration between IT teams and business stakeholders, giving software developers the freedom to use their preferred programming languages, tools, and practices, providing connectors that help orchestrate processes across different endpoints, ensuring seamless integration. This approach gives you flexibility and power to build the automation ecosystem that perfectly suits your needs. So, why does Camunda so excel at delivering value today, solving challenges, and rapidly deploying new solutions? It comes down to openness and flexibility. Camunda is built on composable architecture. It's meaning not a strict platform, but one designed to seamlessly integrate with new technologies, tools, and processes. And this approach allows businesses to adapt to evolving needs without the constraints of traditional systems. But it doesn't stop there. AI is embedded as a principle, not just a future. Camunda views AI an integral part of the platform, influencing every layer, and it helps you create value today and equip your organization for the unseen trends of tomorrow.
And here's another question from our audience. I think from one of the largest banks. Oh, what are your thoughts on handling high loads at the scale of a large bank? Well, the question is from Robert. Maria, probably you can provide a
Yeah.
comment.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the question, Robert. Thanks to cloud native, horizontally scalable architecture, Camunda ensures scalability for large banks. This allows seamless orchestration of millions of transactions in banks. Camunda uses asynchronous processing, distributed execution, and event-driven integration to handle high loads efficiency. And this built-in failover and high availability mechanism guarantee under peak and demand. And ZB engine is ideal for high availability as the software does not rely on a single workflow or a central database.
Okay, I think everything is clear. The next question. Um, what are the real benefits of Camunda to financial organization? The question is from Eva. So probably uh, Maria, could you comment,
Yeah,
please?
yes. Of course, there are a lot of benefits that highlighted by Matteo and for my side also. There are a lot of benefits that organizations can get through Camunda orchestration. Here I can tell alone, let's maybe briefly highlight the most basic. First of all, cost savings through operational efficiency, stronger compliance management, real-time monitoring and analytics, scalability for growing demands, flexibility and adaptability, reduction in error rates. Stop me, anybody, please.
Okay, okay,
Efficient
we got it.
resource utilization, accelerate decision making, and finally improve customer experience. So, and to, once again, very important, Camunda about innovation and integration. And you can read maybe more real insights from senior IT decision makers, business leaders, and software architects in the last research of Camunda. Just a minute, I send you a link in the chat. Just a minute.
Okay, we're waiting for your link. Let's go to the next question. Well, does Camunda have no zero built in? Maria?
Yeah. OCR is part of brand new future for Camunda in the era of intelligent document processing, IDP. It's not yet officially released, and we are waiting to experiment on it. It will be maybe in April, in the release in April, if I'm right. And Camunda is highly configurable and can integrate with any OKR tool available on the market right now.
Okay, thanks so much. I think there is nothing to comment here. Camunda has an OCR. Camunda and new banking products. Probably, Maria, could you comment the next question? How does orchestration help us bring new banking products to market faster. Is it possible?
Yeah, yes, this is possible through a complete approach to business process automation. First of all, thinking automation key processes. I mean, loan original, now you see verification, risk assessment, and compliance checks can be orchestrated to eliminate bottlenecks. Using Camunda Modeler and allow code approach, it helps us make it faster and effectively analyze which steps can be automated. If you have, for example, RPA for typical repeated operation, we also integrate it fast into new process that we are creating right now. Secondly, thankful for seamless integrations. It means that connecting core banking, CRM, and third-party APIs in a single workflow. Next, thankful for automated decision making using DMN table in our model, in our process. It speed up underwriting, pricing, and eligibility checks. Camunda also provides instant visibility into process performance, allowing quick adjustment and optimization. By orchestration these workflows, by banks get time to market by weeks or even months, ensuring faster product launches and competitive edge. Our team provides a full cycle of support. You wait process automation from process analysis and development of process and engine of process optimization and warranty support. I also show you link in the chat. Please follow the link a little bit later. Just a moment.
Okay. Thank you so much, Maria, for your comment. Uh, well, I think it's time to summarize what we were talking about. Well, let's take a quick breather from the Q&A reports and overviews to recap what our brilliant speakers covered. Well, we were talking about AI for banking, just basic information, process automation, and challenges. We also discussed, well, amazing heat map from my point of view. But and of course, we can't forget the amazing Camunda platform and that Rabobank use case implemented on the BPMN platform called Camunda. Right now, I'd like to offer you a free AI-enabled process automation proof of concept for your bank, for your insurance company, for your even startup, if you need such kind of solution. This POC includes 5 key steps from identifying inefficiencies to full automation. So just fill in the form using the QR code, and well, we will demonstrate you how it works and implement a POC for you for free. So contact us and let's keep in touch. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, Mateo. Thank you so much, Maria. It was impressive. And thank you so much, dear audience. I think we'll meet each other during our next webinars, upcoming webinars regarding digital banking and, of course, AI-powered banking. I think we will go through amazing topics, tempting topics, and hot topics. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.